Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming model and firmware so the change is valid. Once done, record the current battery number for recovery. Next, charge the battery above 20% and keep any required SIM or toolkit ready. Make sure to back up device settings and enable developer or admin access so you can write changes. Now open the device settings menu and navigate directly to the battery or power management section to prepare for the editing step that follows. You will now locate the battery ID field inside Power Management or Device Info. Once found, pause to verify the displayed value matches your recorded number. Use the Authorized Configuration tool or terminal and sign in with admin credentials to gain write access. Carefully enter the new battery number exactly, following required format and checksum rules, and then run a format validation. If validation passes, commit the change. If not, correct formatting errors and revalidate before continuing. Save the edits and commit the configuration so the system writes the new battery number, then reboot the device to force the change into active memory. Once restarted, open Device Info and confirm the new battery number displays. Run a power cycle and examine system logs for any errors that reference battery ID or authentication. If you see a mismatch or boot issue, restore the backup immediately and retry the process after correcting the format or using updated admin credentials. This troubleshooting step resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.